Hey y'all, I'm Diamond Painting Cajun. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. If you're returning, welcome back. So, yes, I have my sweater on because it's chilly outside, and yeah, you know. How is everyone doing? I hope y'all doing good. Today is Sunday, of course, you know. And yes, I have a ponytail and yeah. The hair just, no, until I get this done, I'm letting it grow. It's finally growing. I have a color scheduled, so already, highlights actually. I'm trying to get rid of some of that to where it doesn't show as much. I swear I'm one of these people that like had gray hair forever. Since I was like young, I had gray hair. Anywho, I don't like it. So, no, I don't have makeup on, and no, I really don't care. I had a long weekend and a long week. So, you know, like everybody else, we all busy, have a lot of things to do. Anywho, I have a Diamond Art Club unboxing, and I purchased this. All my Diamond Art Club paintings that I show y'all, I purchased them myself with my own money. This is not a sponsored or review pay, you know, I bought it myself. Okay, so now that's out of the way. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing so. Hit the like and subscribe button. Y'all, I have 840 something subscribers, because like I check it, you know, once a week or twice a week. I'm trying to hit 1,000, so please help me out. That's all a girl wants, is to hit 1,000. When I do hit 1,000 though, I will have a diamond painting giveaway. And probably, I'll probably do a couple other things. I don't know. I'm going to see, because I do have an event coming up in November, and I have saved a diamond painting for that as well. But yeah, so I'll have a giveaway of some sorts, a box or some kind of something. So y'all share, subscribe if you are new. That would really help me out. I would really appreciate it. I do lives every other Sunday at 5:30. If it changes, it will be on my my YouTube. You know, you can see the thing on YouTube when my lives are. Also, I have a Facebook group. It's under Diamond Painting Cajun. Instagram is also under Diamond Painting Cajun. And I have TikTok under Diamond Painting Cajun. So, y'all go check those out as well. I'm going to start back with my live TikToks. I was doing live TikToks every now and then. So I'm going to start doing that again, because I go live on TikTok and I diamond paint, because it helps me stay accountable and stick to the diamond painting, and I get more done that way. Plus, I like to talk to y'all. Everybody knows I like to talk. Like, that's not a surprise. Duh. So, yeah. So I'm playing around with this diamond painting right here. And now I'm going to open it and show you guys what I got. Let me move this up. Oh, y'all know I don't have nothing to open it with, of course. Okay, so I'm going to open it. And I'm going to show you. It's not a new diamond. It is not like it's been in circulation for a while. But I'm just getting it now. Yeah, I'm sorry if I'm off, but you know, it's okay. So I'm gonna open it and show y'all what I got. Like I said, y'all, everybody. Oh my God, seriously, this is not working. Okay, I'm just gonna take it out from the top. I'm not even gonna rip the rest of the plastic off, because it's not working out for me. Oh, y'all already know me. Y'all know I'm silly. Oh, y'all know how weird it is. Y'all know how weird it is talking into the camera and laughing to yourself with nobody here? It's so weird. Oh my god, I still can't get over that. Anywho, I'm gonna unbox this thing. Okay, let me show y'all, because good grief. It's called Cabin Porch. It's a 27.6 inch by 39.4 inch. It's a Diamond Art Club diamond painting. And that's the picture of it. It's called Cabin Porch. Look at the dog, y'all. I'm not playing. I want it. I still want that fall one, that new one that came out with the truck. I want that so bad. Oh my God. I want it so bad. And I just can't get it right now. Because, I just can't. It's one of those things. But anyway. I mean, I could, but I'm kind of waiting it out. Maybe. I don't know. I love it, though. I really want to do a fall one. So, But yeah, like I said, this is a square from Diamond Art Club. It's square because of the color blue square, and it has the blue stripe. And, yeah. So, it comes with a toolkit. And I'm going to show y'all the toolkit. Okay. And this is the little sticker. I love this. I think it's so cute. I don't know. It reminds me of a cozy cabin and just exactly what the picture says, So, yeah, I like that. Okay, so we're going to see what I got. And their toolkits, I mean, they're pretty basic, they really have the same thing, just different. When you get a square diamond painting, it comes with a pair of tweezers, baggies in the toolkit, zip baggies to kit up some stuff. It comes with heart-shaped plate of wax, 2 plates actually inside. I got a pink squishy this time. I don't really use these. And I got a pink pen. I use the tips. I take the tips off because I use them on my other diamond painting pens. In my other diamond painting pens. Y'all killing me. I got another macaroon. I have like a gazillion of these, but that's okay. I'll save it and maybe give it in a giveaway box. So, comes with a tray with a stopper. Comes with a 7-placer, if I can pick it up. 7-placer and a 4-placer. And I love these. I love them. I put them aside and I put them in my little box. And also it came with this pretty washi tape. Look how cute that is. I always use the washi tape. The washi tape I use to section my canvas off, so that I can do 1 square at a time. So that's what I use that for. Yeah. So I'm going to put all this stuff back in there. Because like I have a gazillion. I don't use the wax. I don't use the pen. I don't use the, I do use the tweezers sometimes. Yes. So, but I have so many. Yeah, but I'm always anxious to see what kind of cover minder and washi tape I got. The cover minders I use, you use those when you peel back the plastic. You can put the piece of the magnet on the bottom and the other portion on top, and it holds your plastic down for you on the canvas. Okay, I'm going to slowly open this because I'm trying not to rip it so I can reseal it, because I'm not kitting this up yet. Maybe in January, maybe I'll kit this up. After Christmas. My nose itches. Don't know. Sorry. Y'all know how I am. I don't care. It is what it is. So, let's see. Just don't want to leave me alone. It's stuck. Okay. Ooh, she's big. Y'all, I could already tell y'all that I'm gonna love this one. It's gonna take me a long time though. Lord, y'all know. Y'all know because I'm about to tell y'all why. Well, because it's so big, that's why. So this one has 52 colors, and like I said, it's a 27 by 39. And this is the photo of it. These are the stickers that you put on your, if you kit up, you put them on that, on your little containers. At least that's what I do. And it has a start date and an end date. So when you start and you finish, if you put that in your book as well, a little notebook or something, if you want to keep track of it. And look how cute, y'all. I just love this. Like, that would be the ideal place for me to live right here. Right on the lake. I love it. Like, I love it. I love the dog. Look how cute. Just adorable. So, it comes with the thank you pamphlet. It has information in here on how to diamond paint and what comes, what else? Let's see what else. Step-by-step instructions. They even have video instructions. They have a Facebook, Instagram, and all that good stuff. Their information at the bottom. Okay. And it tells you what's inside your toolkit in case you don't know what's included. And yeah, so that's what this is. All right. And then of course you got the drills, but I'm gonna show y'all those. Now this is a square, like I said, and it has 52 colors, and I'm gonna have to stand up because I'm short and I'm never gonna be able to show y'all this whole thing sitting down. So this is the top. Look at this. Look how pretty, y'all. I'm so in love with this. Oh my goodness. Look how cute. I love it. Holy moly. It is very long. It's more long than it is wide. Of course, it's 27. So, y'all, look how stinking cute. Now I really want to kit this up. Diamond Art Club at the top. It says, do what makes you sparkle, Diamond Art Club. It has scalloped and poked edges, and it's a very nice canvas. They have very nice canvases. Look this drill field. Y'all, look at the stove. Look how cute. Look at the drill field, how clear. The symbols are clear. Just so y'all know. Yo, I might have to put the camera down so y'all could see this like in full. Look how pretty. Y'all, that's a picture perfect canvas right here. Look at it. I'm amazed at this canvas. I love it. I lied when I said I might not kit it up. I might now. Oh my God, look how pretty. I can't help it. Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness. Look at that dog. Yo, Yo, I can't even. Here, I just can't. Look. Oh my God. I am impressed. Diamond Art Club. This is amazing rendering. I love it. I love it. I don't know if y'all watching or not. Probably not. But in case y'all are, I love it. It is amazing rendering, y'all. Look at this. I mean, you can't. Look at the blanket. The plaid blanket. I love it. So they have, on the left-hand top, they have a legend here. These are all the colors in the diamond painting. Okay, and y'all, the symbols are clear. Okay, like they have the DMC codes located on the side of each symbol. And then they also have another legend on the bottom right here. So, yes. Y'all, this is so pretty. I'm going to show y'all the, I love it. I am going to show y'all the drills. Okay, so they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ABs. So in this particular diamond painting, there's 6 ABs, okay? So I know this is so noisy, and I really don't want to take them out, y'all, because it's a lot. It's a lot. Look at all these drills, but look how pretty. You know, they have the normal, like, fallish colors. I love it. They have the reds and the blues and the greens, you know, to represent, like, the grass and the trees and then the reds and the blankets and the yellows and of course the browns, because, you know, the cabin porch is brown and tan and stuff. Look at those colors. Those drills are amazing. I love it. Look at all these colors. I'm going to try to put it close so y'all can see without killing y'all ears. So, yeah. I see they have blue ABs, red ABs, orange ABs, and like a cream and a white. So they have pretty many ABs in here. Like I said, I would take them out, but I'm not, because I'll never get this back in the package. Never. So, I'm so thankful that y'all were able to watch this. If you love to do like fall, and if y'all like to go in the woods, camping in a cabin, that's what I think of when I saw this. That's what I thought of, because that's me. You know, I'm country, so that's what we do. So if you like that kind of thing, I think you really will like this diamond painting. So I'm gonna link this diamond painting in the description portion of this video, and y'all go check it out if y'all interested in it. As at the time of this video, like right now today, I didn't go look to see if it was still in stock, but I will link it in the description portion. You can always you can always be notified if it's in stock. So with that said, thank you guys for watching. I really appreciate y'all so much. Thank y'all, and y'all have a good day. Bye.